Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, two different and two crucial things before we'll start. The first one is the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges during downloading something. And the second one is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can easily log in after entering the Play Store. Or if you don't want to do it on your own, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Alright, so we've got everything covered, so now we can enter the Play Store. So here all we have to do is to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And right here we've got the list of apps which can be updated, so all you have to do is to simply find those which you want to update and mark them. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps, it's totally up to you. And then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.